So hi, today I am going to explain you a question from SQL portion of HackerRank, which is type of triangle. So in this question, you are given a table having columns A, B, C, all of type integer. Basically, these columns representing three sides of a triangle, and you need to check what type of triangle is formed from these sides. Let's say if all the sides are equal, then they form an equilateral triangle, and if any two sides are equal and other is not equal, then they form isosceles triangle, and if all the sides are not equal, then they form scalene triangle. And the fourth condition is that not a triangle, means whether these sides actually forming a triangle or not. For that, you need to remember a property of triangle which says that in any triangle, sum of any two sides must be greater than third side, and if that condition hold, then only we say that these three sides forming a triangle. So I'm going to write a query in MySQL to print what is the type of triangle formed by these sides. So I'm going to use the case statement of SQL. So I'm writing the query, select case. First, we need to check whether these sides given in the table actually forming a triangle or not. For that case, I am writing the condition a plus b less than equal to c, or a plus c less than equal to b, or b plus c less than equal to a. And if any of the three conditions hold true, then we say that these three sides will not form a triangle, not a triangle. So this is our first condition. Coming to second condition, so here you need to write when also. Now coming to second condition, a equal to b and b equal to c, which will check whether these three sides forming an equilateral triangle or not. Then means if a equal to b and b equal to c, that means a equal to c also means all the three sides are equal, then we say that these sides are forming equilateral triangle. Now third condition, we need to check whether they are forming isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. So first I will check whether these sides are forming scalene triangle or not. For this we need to check a condition that if all the sides are not equal, then they are forming scalene triangle. So if a not equal to b and b not equal to c and a not equal to c, then I will say that they are forming scalene triangle. Okay, and last I write else, then they are forming isosceles triangle. Okay, now I will end the case statement, and from which table, from triangles. Now our query is completed. Let's try to run this query and see. So here you can see our query is correct. Let's try to submit that query. So as you can see, our query is successfully submitted, and this is the way you can write this query. So you can take a screenshot of